Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where smart shopping meets smart reviews. Today, we're talking about the best stackable washer-dryer laundry center on the market. The LG WashTower Stacked Smart Laundry Center, model WKE100HVA, in the sleek graphite steel finish. If you're in the market for a high-efficiency, space-saving, and feature-packed washer and dryer combo, this is the one you want to hear about. Let's kick things off with the design. The LG WashTower is a single vertical unit that combines a full-size washer and a full-size dryer in one seamless tower. But this isn't just any stackable set. It's a unified laundry center with a centralized control panel right in the middle. That means no more reaching for buttons way up top. Everything is at eye level, making it easier and more intuitive to use. Now, let's talk specs. The washer comes in at 4.5 cubic feet. Perfect for handling large loads like bedding, towels, or a week's worth of clothes. The dryer is even bigger, at 7.4 cubic feet, which means you won't need to split loads between two drying cycles. That's a game changer for both families and busy individuals. But beyond size, it's the smart features that really set this unit apart. This WashTower is Wi-Fi enabled and fully compatible with LG's Think app. That means you can start, stop, and monitor your laundry from your phone, even get notifications when your cycle is done. Plus, you can use voice assistants like Alexa and Google Assistant for hands-free control. You get Turbo Wash 360 in the washer, which uses 5 powerful jets to clean clothes in under 30 minutes, without sacrificing cleaning power. On the drying side, it features Sensor Dry, which automatically adjusts drying time based on moisture levels. This protects your fabrics and prevents over-drying, while saving energy. It's also worth mentioning the built-in AI technology. The washer detects fabric texture and load size, then automatically selects the optimal wash motions and settings. Same goes for the dryer. It adjusts the cycle to deliver just the right amount of heat and time. That kind of intelligence goes a long way in extending the life of your clothes and reducing wear and tear. Noise and vibration are kept to a minimum, thanks to LG's advanced inverter motor and True Balance anti-vibration system. This makes the WashTower a great option for apartments or second-floor laundry setups, where noise can be a major issue. Now, let's talk installation. Even though it's a stacked design, it fits in the same space as a traditional side-by-side washer and dryer. Plus, since the control panel is centered, it works well for both tall and shorter users. And the graphite steel finish isn't just stylish, it's fingerprint resistant and easy to clean, keeping your laundry room looking sharp. It's designed to use less water and electricity while still delivering top-tier results. So over time, you're not just saving space, you're also saving money. If you're someone with limited space but don't want to compromise on features, speed, or performance, this is your match. Whether you're upgrading your home, moving into a new apartment, or just tired of juggling mismatched machines, the LG WashTower WKE100HVA is a premium solution wrapped in modern convenience. To wrap it up, powerful cleaning, intelligent drying, sleek design, space-saving footprint, and fully integrated smart features. The LG WashTower isn't just a washer and dryer, it's a laundry revolution. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this review helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more in-depth product breakdowns, and let us know in the comments what you want us to review next. See you in the next one.